Yeah, good morning children. Yeah, welcome back to our science class. Yeah, what we discussed yesterday. Yeah, we discussed yesterday about the different types of cooking methods, and some food items can be eaten and some food items can have to be cooked before eating, and some safety steps also we discussed, right? Yes. Okay, now we are moving to the raw fooding, that is about the diversity in food we eat. Okay, what is our topic today? Diversity in food we eat. Okay, now you can see the keywords chapati, curd rice, and bhel. Okay, these are the keywords for today. Okay, now you can tell me, children. Yeah, what food item do you like to eat most? Yes, some people may like to eat chapati, and some people may like to eat noodles, and some people may like to eat the puri sabji like that. Yes. Okay, in the same way, in India, we are staying in India only. In India, so many regions are there, like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. These are the different cities are located in each region, in south, north, like that. Yes. Do you think in India all over are the people eating same kinds of food items? No. In the different regions, people will eat different kinds of food. Okay, and today's our topic is that only food across India. Yes, what is our topic today? Food across India. Today we are going to discuss about that. In India, we have so many regions are there, no? Which kinds of food items are special? Different regions. Okay, now tell me where we are in India. Yes, we are in South India, right? We are in South India. Yeah. Now you can tell me what are the most popular dishes in our region? Yeah, idli sambar, right? Idli sambar and curd rice. Yes, idli sambar curd rice are the most popular dishes in South India. Yes, and how now we are moving to the North India. Okay, North India. Yes, in North India, paneer, chapati, and pulses. In North India, most of the people will eat the paneer, chapati, pulses like this. These are the most popular dishes in North India. And now East India. In East India, rasgulla, fish curry, rice. These are the most popular dishes in East India. Rasgulla, fish curry, rice are the most popular dishes in East India. Now we are moving to the West India. In West India, pav bhaji, bhel puri. These are the famous dishes and fish curry also famous in West India. Okay, in fishes of fish curry also famous in West India. These are the different food items are famous in different regions. Okay, now can you tell me some other common food items famous in these regions? Yes, biryani. Yeah, biryani is most popular in North India. Okay, biryani and curry is most popular. Biryani and curry is most popular in North India. Okay, and vada, sambar and dosa are most famous in South India. Vada and dosa are most famous in South India. Okay, and now East India. In East India, momos. Okay, noodles and momos are popular in East India. Okay. Noodles, yes, even we also like to eat noodles now. Noodles and momos are most popular in East India. And okay, Dokla is famous in West India. These are the different food items that are famous in different regions, and most of the many food items are popular across many regions. Yes, many of the food items are most popular in many regions. Even biryani is popular in both the South and North India. Biryani is most popular in North and South India. Idli sambar is most popular in all over of the country. Already we know that, right? Even we like to eat idli and dosa sambar like that. Yes. And puri sabji is also popular in almost all the our country. Okay. This is about the different kinds of food items in across India. Okay, children. Now you can tell me, why do people in different regions eat different kinds of food? Yes. Why do people in different regions eat different kinds of food? Is there any reason? Yes. It is depends on the kinds of food. It is depends on the climate. Okay. It is depends on the climate and location of the place also. Okay. It is depends on the climate and the location of a place. Depending on that, in the India, different kinds of people will eat different kinds of food items. Okay. Now we discuss food across India, right? Till now, we discuss the food across India. Now we are going to discuss about the food items in different countries. Okay, food items in different countries. In our country, we discussed that South India, North India, about that. Yes, yes. Now we are going to discuss that food items in different countries. Do you know where China and England are? Yes, yes. Today we are going to discuss that only. Already we know that China is a very large and important country, right? China is a very large and important country, and it is located to located to India. Okay, it is located very close to India, China, and England also there. You know, children, England is ruled our India more than 200 years. Okay, England is ruled our country more than 200 years. Okay. Yeah. Now you can tell me. Can you tell me some food items that are most popular in China? Yes. Nowadays we are also eating some that kind of foods. Yes. Noodles. Yes. Noodles. And dim sum. Dim sum. And fried rice. Yes. Nowadays in India also these dishes we are eating regularly, right? These food items are most popular in China. Okay, noodles, dim sum, fried rice. These are the most popular dishes in China. Now, England. In England, people will eat different kinds of food items like meat and chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala and meat are the most popular dish in England. Okay, these are the most popular dishes in England. Okay, this is about the China and England. Can you name some other food items from different countries? Yes, you know that in Greek country, in Greek most of the people will eat salads. Okay, in Greek most of the people will eat salads. Okay. These are the different food items, and in Italians, you know Italians? Italians will eat pasta and pizza. Italians will like to eat pasta and pizza. These all food items are now we are eating in our country, in India also, right? And now you know chicken tikka masala is a very popular dish in England. Okay, chicken tikka masala is the most popular dish in England, and it is almost considered as a national dish along with the fish and chips. Okay, these are the different food items that are most popular in different countries. Okay, now you can tell me why food items from different countries are becoming most popular in India. What is the reason? Can you tell me? Yeah, through the televisions, magazines, and traveling from one place to another place, and films or the major reasons for spreading awareness about the food items of different countries in India. Okay, that's why we got these pastas, pizzas, and noodles all in our country, and we like to eat that food items. Okay, yes, that is the reason. Okay, children. Yes, children, now you can open your content book. Diversity in food we eat. Food eaten in different parts of India. People in different parts of India eat different kinds of food. In the north, chapatis, pulses, vegetables, curd, raita, meat curry, and paneer dishes are popular foods. In the south, curd rice, sambar, vegetables, and dosas are popular. In the east, rice, fish curry, rasgullas, and momos are commonly eaten. In the west, people eat pav bhaji, chapatis, tepla, seafood, and bhel puri. Some type of food are eaten in many regions. Idli, dosa, and vada are South Indian food, but are also eaten in other regions. Similarly, pav bhaji is a West Indian dish that is popular in other regions too. Here you can see North Indian meal and South Indian meal. Okay, you can find the differences. Okay, food eaten in different countries. Some popular dishes of England are pudding, fish and chips and chicken, tikka masala, noodles, fried rice, chili chicken, and dim sum are some dishes commonly eaten in China. Pizza is a popular dish of Italy. Shawarma, which consists of pieces of meat wrapped in a chapati, is very popular in Arabian countries. Fish head curry is very popular in Singapore. Chinese noodles are popular both in England and India. Here you can see Chinese dishes. Those are the noodles and chicken tikka masala, sauce. These are the different food items most popular in China. These are the Chinese dishes. Yes? Now you can open your volume. S1 food across India. See here, first question, given below are the food items from different parts of India. Write North India, South India, East India or West India below the picture. Here you can see the so many different types of food items. Rice, fish curry, rasgulla, meat curry, pulses, sambar, pav bhaji, bhel puri, momos, curd rice, paneer dish, idlis, chapati, fish curry, dokla. What you have to do, you have to write the North India, South India, East India or West India in the below the picture. Okay, these food items are famous in which countries you have to, which state, which region you have to write that. Now you can see the second question. Why is fish curry not a popular dish in North India? See the question once again. Why is a fish curry not popular in North India? Here you can see the S2 food items in different countries. First question, identify which food item belongs to England and which food item belongs to China. Write the name of the country below the each picture. Here you can see meat and potato pie, Chinese noodles, chicken tikka masala, chili chicken, dim sum, fish and chips. You have to identify the food items and write the food items according to their regions. Okay, now you can see the second question. Write down some food items that are eaten in Italy, in Greece, in England and China. Are the food items the same or are they different? Okay, just now only we discussed in Italy what they will eat, in Greece, in England, in China. Okay, you can see the third question. Pastries and cakes are popular all across India. How did they become popular? See the question once again. Pastries and cakes are popular all across India. How did they become popular. Okay children, read the content book and complete the volume. Thank you children.